All right, so we want to move away from that. We'll get back to that. That's still going. We want to go now and continue our coverage of the Border Patrol operations happening in Charlotte. And there have been reactions politically. There have been reactions from the community, organizations as well. We want to send it out to Bria Smith, who's live at Camino. Bria's live there. So, Bria, what is Camino doing to help the community at this time?
Yeah, so I did have the chance to speak to their CEO, Mr. Rusty Price, and he's mentioned the importance of their telehealth right now. A lot of their clients and patients are afraid or fearful of what might happen if they were to actually come into the clinic. So they've offered and opened up telehealth, which allows them to have visits, whether it's their dental appointments or their medical appointments. And he says since last Friday or this past Friday, there have been 24 total cancellations between dental and medical. And he's seen how this telehealth service has been a really big help so far in just making sure that people are able to make those visits, especially those who are depending on it, those who might have diabetes or any other health conditions, but then also just getting what they need and not missing those appointments that might be, very instrumental to their health, Nick.
So, Bria, what is the feeling, energy within the organization right now? And have they had any encounters with Border Patrol?
Yeah, they're feeling a little, I think the perfect word he mentioned was heavy within the clinic, just making sure, again, that everyone's getting the resources that they need, especially those appointment times that are really important for some individuals. We did see a couple of clients here today who did express their concern and their worry of what could happen. And, Mr. Price also kind of mentioned that even though there are some who are documented, they're still even feeling that stress or that worry, of what could happen as they see things unfold here since Friday here in Charlotte. So they're just kind of coming together as much as possible, making sure that everyone who relies on their services and can benefit from this organization gets what they need at a place of peace, Nick.
All right, that's Bria Smith live there at Camino in North Charlotte. You can catch Bria's story at 4 and 5:30 this evening. Bria, thank you for your time.